babes, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I came across having to make a gift basket for my sister-in-law. I did not know what to gift her. As y'all know, I'm like that person that always gifts baskets. I decided to make one on camera for you guys today, just so that y'all can see, like, get an idea of what to gift whenever you don't know what to gift to someone. So I grabbed some things in this basket, and this is the one that I'll be using to make my gift. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a few things in here. I don't know if y'all can see them. I'm gonna be showing them to y'all. So I grabbed these little clear plastic bags. Hopefully y'all can see them, but I grabbed these. They're for baskets and all that stuff. I did grab a bow. This is her favorite color, so I'm gonna be using that one to tie around the bag. And then this little gift tissue paper to fill in the basket. Like, I'm gonna be using the baby blue one. Her favorite color is this color right here. It's like a celeste azul or whatever. And I got her a little card, which I'll be writing a note in just a minute. And the card does say, for a special sister-in-law. It's true that we can't choose our family like we can choose our friends, but sometimes we get lucky. And then when you open the inside of it, it says, and this family is so lucky to have you. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I thought it was super cute. So I'm going to be writing a small letter to her inside of it. And then let me go ahead and show y'all how I'm going to be setting this up. Okay, so if you see the mess anywhere around, don't mind it. I was cleaning the room, and that's why the bed is like that. But this is the basket that I'm going to be using. You can get this anywhere. I got this at Ross for $7. So it was a pretty good deal. So first off, I'm going to be using the tissue paper to fill in the basket. And I'm going to grab all the blues. So I'm going to be filling it and just putting it around. Y'all can just watch me do this as I put it inside. I'm going to go ahead and use all of it. So I did put some around the edges, and then now I'm going to put some in the middle of it, just like put it as in like a big ball, so that I can hold that stuff up a little bit. Just like a filling. Like, just insert it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I actually made a surprise birthday box a while ago for one of my dessert business clients, and they loved it. I believe it turned out beautiful. So now that we have that, I'm gonna start off by adding these little treats that I got from Bath and Body Works. So I did grab a gift bag. It's a clear plastic bag, and then the little tag comes right here. I'm going to put that. And I got her this Japanese cherry blossom shower gel. Hopefully y'all can see it. And then I got her the Japanese cherry blossom body lotion. They're all the same thing, like the same scent. And this is the fragrance mist, and they're all the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it in here. She is a really wonderful person. Every time it's her birthday, she always gives us something, even though we don't want to make her feel like she has to give us something back, but we always like to give something to the people that are really close to us and that actually appreciate us the way that we appreciate them. And we really like her. Like, she's an amazing person. My parents really like her a lot. This may not be the perfect gift basket, but it's an idea that I'm giving y'all of what I'm making. So this is what my little bag ended up looking like, and it looks really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the corner. And then I did get a set of shampoo and conditioner. They're from the brand Love Beauty and Planet. And I've actually tried these before, like the rose water scent, and they have a lot of benefits and all this stuff. So I got her a set of those, and these are in the scent Oregon Oil and Lavender. So I'm gonna add these on the other corner. I did get her a shirt, and I am in love with this shirt. Literally, this is super cute. Like, it's like a long sleeve shirt, and then look at the back. It's like super duper cute because it's like open from the back. And I know this is gonna look wonderful on her because she has a good body. I'm not trying to be weird or anything, but she has a pretty body. I'm going to fold this. So I did fold this, and then I just rolled it up. And this shirt is actually made in Mexico, so I'm pretty excited about this because Mexican clothes are the best. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert it there. Así, bien paradita and everything. I did get her 2 face masks, so each packet comes with 2. They're from the brand Freeman. It's a purifying mask and a hydrating mask, so she gets 4 in total. I also got her 2 packets of candy. She loves gummies. I've seen that she really likes the Lifesavers ones, and I feel like these, the wild berries ones, are delicious. So I also got her the Just Blue Sour Then Sweet Sour Patch Kids, and these are blue raspberry gummies, and these are like the new ones they sell with the all blue gummies. And of course she likes blue, so we have to make it blue. So I did get her a pack of ponies, and these are the ones that I got her. Oh my god, hopefully y'all can see them because of the light. I got her in all black. Her hair is black, so I got her a pack of those. And I mean, it is a basket, so you just add whatever you want, you know. I did grab this little thing. It's a little frame that I got at Michael's, and I just went to print out 2 of her pictures, and it's like a rotating frame, like a double-sided frame. So I put 2 pictures of her, and it is so beautiful. It's actually holographic, and my mom really loved it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in there for her. And then her card, let's just pretend that I already wrote the letter, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert it too. I also stopped by to get a balloon, and this is the one that I got. I thought it was a really cute balloon. I had never seen these, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in there as well. I was going to get her one of those balloons, like the foil balloons, the small ones that don't like have helium in them, but I saw this one and I fell in love with it, so let's go ahead and buy this one instead. I grabbed 2 balloons, small balloons. I believe these are like cake toppers or something like that, but I'm going to add these in the basket in front of it to make it look cuter. And this is the number 19, the number 1 and the number 9. So I'm gonna go ahead and inflate them. Hopefully they're not too big. Oh my god. So this is what the number 9 looks like. Then let's use the number 1. Let's just say this is the number 19. Now I don't know if I should put it here. They're actually a little bit too big. I thought they were gonna be smaller, so I might just put them in the back of everything. So let me go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So I finished my basket, and this is what it looks like. I'll be giving you an up close look. So before I put it in the bag, let me show you what it looks like from the inside. This is what it ended up looking like, and I love the outcome. Hold on. So everything is in here, the balloons, the card. I already wrote my letter and everything. And here are the little lotions and all that, the masks, the ponies, the shirt, and the gummies, and of course her picture. Everything's in there already, so I just have to put it in a bag. And I like how this turned out actually, so let me go ahead and put it inside. So this has a little hook right here. I'm gonna hook it to the bag. So what did y'all think about my basket? This is the outcome of it, and then the balloon is up there, and that's what the basket ended up looking like. Everything's in there. I think it looks beautiful in my opinion. Hopefully y'all like it just like I did. It's really beautiful and pretty creative. Something easy and simple to do whenever you don't know what to gift. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. I thought it was a good idea to show y'all how to make a simple basket. It may not have a lot of high-end products or expensive things, but it's something that the other person you're gifting it to will actually love and thank you for. I know I'm breaking out or whatever, but thank y'all so much for the support. If y'all haven't liked this video, please don't forget to leave your like, guys, and stay tuned for more videos like this one. I really love and enjoy to make videos like this. I'll see y'all on the next one, guys.